Can I get shots? Is that all right? It's like that fear means we're stretching ourselves. There's like a tension. Hold up. You can look out this way, it's fine. The other side, the other side. What is it? Can I get shots? Is that all right? So cool. Have you done this before, mate? Jesus Christ. I'm knackered. Right, well, it is a kind of therapy, street photography. At least it is for me. Well, I'll tell you what it is. It's kind of like a, I think I use it almost like a mechanism for growth, spiritual growth, if you like. But if you're growing as a person, I think it's important that we feel like we're stretching ourselves. That there has to be like a pull, like a rigor. And it's the same with street photography. But if we're comfortable, then we're not stretching ourselves. We stay the same. Our photography stays the same. But if our spirit's not challenged, we're asleep. We're like zombies. That's why I think it's important, like, we feel a little bit of fear when we're out shooting street photography. It's like that fear means we're stretching ourselves. There's like a tension. There's a tension because we're stretching ourselves. But you can also stretch yourselves by subscribing to my channel. If you've not subscribed already, give this video a big thumbs up. It's a real big support for me, guys. What about them swans? Lovely, weren't they? Cheers, guys. See you in the next one.